Hey y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Garage Unfiltered. And so welcome back to another video. So I'm going to let the camera kind of roll, but the plan of attack on this video is to go out to the 560 and try my new key to see if it actually turns. If it turns, then I'm going to have to go get my jump pack and use the jumper cables to the good battery sitting on the ground and try and jump start it, because then I may want to try, if I've got the energy, is to change the battery on it so that it actually starts. So that would mean pulling that car in here, and I could do that. But at this point, I need to go grab the battery I purchased when I was out of town that I got from a Sam's Club. So with that, you're going to hear the dadgum garage door squeak and so forth going open while I get it out of my work vehicle. Gotta love that garage door. Yeah, this battery ain't light. And as I walked outside, I'm gonna take the camera and go with it, because my 280 SEL, poor car, happened to sit out here, and it was partially covered. Darn wind here in Nebraska is so annoying. But we'll sit here and cover this back up. All right, so in here is the 560. I didn't pull all the way down. Let me. Well, okay. That's the way it's going to have to stay. All right, let's. Love my locking system. All right, I'm going to take the camera with me, and as you can see, there's the 560. So just going to open the one side of the door, because the intent for this is, without bumping my head on everything, is to try the new key. Oh, where is it? And this is going to be a challenge one-handed here, but there's the new key. So and we have no battery. Oh, the dome light is on, or at least partially on. All right, let's see here. Put the key in, and nothing. Now I'm going to try and turn the wheel partially to see if it doesn't. Nothing. It feels like the it just feels like the tumblers are, it's not catching anything hardly as it's going in. So I'm going to try one other thing, and it's going to be hard to do with holding the, no, it goes in and out too easy. And all those tricks that everybody by the sound of it, it sounds like it's the key lock itself. So, well, there's the fail. New key did not work. I will have to figure something else out. Comments, folks, put the comments down below. What else can I try? It's annoying because that car, I like to get the battery, put the battery in it, the new battery, and you know, I'd like to drive the car. So, and I need to get it out of there in order to, you know, the 350 SL is you know, up on the top. You know, it's up on the upper level, and you know, it needs to be driven. So, need some guidance, folks, and hopefully, maybe one of you viewers out there have a suggestion, and maybe even Monkey Wrench Mike, if you watch this video, you play with a lot of the Mercedes, maybe you've tackled something like this in the past, and maybe you've got a trick where I can't get the key to turn. So oh, I know where the noise is coming from. I'm going to need to lubricate that chain at some point, but I can't do it with a car sitting underneath it. So that's an awful noisy garage door opener. So anyway, folks, and again, anybody that has any suggestions, put it in the comments, because I've pretty much tried everything. You know, even spent and I don't know what it cost, $50-$60 for the key, and then they shipped it to me through a FedEx box or a UPS box or something. So I don't know, folks. I don't know what else to do. Maybe the next time when Yui comes and it's a little warmer, we can put some picks in there, but you got to take the whole dash out, the whole lower part of the dash, in order to get the whole assembly out. And then you still have to have the key to pull the tumblers out. So me ordering the tumbler set is probably immaterial at this point, because you can't turn the key, because you got to turn the key in order to put the little pin in to pull the whole tumbler set out. It's an easy job if the key turns. Well, key doesn't turn. Thanks for watching. Comments below. Hit subscribe if you haven't. Got a lot to do, a lot going on. Have a great day and be safe out there. And you see my backdrop? See what I got to deal with?